need to change the settings so that the 360 camera side indicator detects on screen. So right now it's detecting on 3D mode if we choose any of these indicators. Now suppose if we do not have this working by default, then this is how we can fix it. So we go to settings, we basically use the controller to turn the options and go to settings. Under settings, you go to the last option called ComSet, and we choose here turn by speed and radar. Both we turn on. So turn by speed should be on and radar should be on. Also there is another setting which we can do, by which we can choose whether it displays in a 2D or 3D mode. For that we have to scroll out of this menu, hit save, return, and we go to display. In this we choose the turn view to be 3D or 2D. Based on that it will give us a 3D view or a 2D view. Right now it's selected as 3D. If we have to do calibration, we go to pano, go to auto mode, choose calibrate,